BM560 is a fully functional and efficacious battery tester which can help to check alternator state, charging level and battery starting capability, etc. The data is displayed graphically to quickly and accurately display your battery status. Up, down, back, OK. Copper clip. Better conductivity and more precise. When the copper clip clamps the wrong positive and negative poles, the reverse protection function will be activated. The battery tester is in an unopened state, which plays a protective role and will not burn the host. Please connect the electrode copper clip correctly. Click Check on the menu to select Quick Test or Battery Test of in-vehicle. Get the current battery health according to the AH value and CCA value on the battery. The health of the battery will be clearly displayed through the generation of SOH or SOC data images. Long press the back key to return to the menu. You can return to the menu from the current test page. Start engine. This shows that the starting voltage in the current starting process is 11.47 volt. The starting time is 2524 millisecond. And the final starting ability test result is normal. When the car is in the starting state, the test clamp is connected to the positive and negative poles of the battery under test. Attention must be paid to check whether there is good contact. Enter the ripple test interface. The smaller the waveform float, the more stable the voltage. Start the engine. Keep 2500 to 3500 RPM. Press OK key to obtain the charging test result. Turn on load electronic devices, such as car air conditioning. Keep 2000 to 2500 RPM. Press OK key to get the load test result. BM560 has a hidden screen capture function. It can open the screen capture function by pressing the up and down keys. Connect to the computer through the USB interface of the instrument to export the screenshot information. Kingbolen BM560. 1 to detect all 6 volt or 12 volt car battery problems.